Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand next sum from accounting for debentures. Sum number 28. As on 1st April 2014, Ravindra Copper Limited issued 12,012.5 percentage convertible debentures of rupees 400 each at par. As per the terms of issue of debentures, all the debentures will be converted into equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 50 percentage after 5 years. On 1st April 2019, debentures were converted into equity shares as per the agreed terms. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of company. Then first entry will be made for issue of debentures as on 1/4/2014. The entry will be bank account debit to 12.5 percentage debenture application and allotment account. The amount will be 12,000 multiplied by 448 lakh. Narration being amount of application and allotment is received on 12,000 debentures at rupees 400 per debenture. Then next entry as on 1/4/14, 12.5 percentage debenture application and allotment account debit to 12.5 percentage debentures account. ₹48 lakh. Then narration being amount of application and allotment is transferred to debenture account. Then in the next entry we will make the provision for redemption of debentures as on 1st April 2019. Then as on 1st April 2019, 12.5 percentage debentures account debit to debenture holders account. Then amount will be 48 lakh. Then narration being provision is made for redemption of debentures. Then in the last entry as on 1/4/2019, the debentures will convert into equity share capital account. So the entry will be debenture holders account debit to equity share capital account to security premium account. Then we have to pay to the debenture holders 48 lakh rupees. Then this 48 lakh rupee will be transferred to equity share capital account and to security premium account respectively. So for this purpose we have to calculate the number of shares. So calculation number of shares equals to amount paid to debenture holders divide by amount per share, and we have to pay to debenture holders the amount 48 lakh rupees. Then here amount per share 10 rupees per share equity share and 50% is premium here. So 10 rupees 50% will be 5 rupees. So 48 lakh divide by 15 rupees, we will get 3,20,000. So the number of shares are 3,20,000. Then 3,20,000 multiplied by 10 will be transferred to equity share capital account, means 32 lakh, and 3,20,000 multiplied by 5 transferred to security premium account, means 16 lakh. Then narration being equity shares are provided to debenture holders at rupees 15 per share. Then students, here it is not necessary to make total, and इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है हमारा सम नंबर 28. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.